What's up guys, Jamaican boy again. Yeah, welcome and watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing guys.
Teremka chini.
Yes guys, welcome again to my video. Today I've decided to take you in Athi River. Okay?
River.
Yeah, Athi River. Today I have decided to take you a tour in Athi River. Very amazing one. So stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. I'm Jamaican boy with my friend here behind the camera, and I have another friend there. Today I have decided to have friends, those who know this place well, so that they can take me around this river, guys. Yeah. So kindly stay tuned, watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Let's go. Ile vesti nimechukua.
Nimeweka hapa ndani.
Oh.
Yum.
Ya. Tuan pakai atau dia sumat sana. Anda apa?
Muuliza waterfall.
Yeah?
Ulimuuliza waterfall? Akasema iko hapa.
Tutalemka hivi? Kama ni huko.
Lika basi hivi tu.
Tumeiona?
Oh. Hadi vijana wanaogelea huko. Yeah, it's nice. Nataka nikumulika bro. Nataka nitengeneze video file.
Sawa.
Wanarudia hapo. Yeah, so kindly guys, this is the place. This is the place to be. Yeah, I decided to take you today in River Art. Yeah, Art River in Kenya. So today, oh my God. Hey! Na sasa wana hey! Hawa watoto waogopi. Hey! Ay. Guys, this is so dangerous. Oh my God. Haya. Eh. Haya. Hey. Hawa washakuwa samaki. This amazing waterfall, guys, in Ati River, Yeah man. Yeah, these boys are really enjoying. Unataka kuruka kutoka hapo? Guys. Hey! Amepiga chini. Toa. Huyo ndio nataka niambie sasa maneno hapa. See guys, where they are climbing the hill. They are climbing the hills from that point to there, and then they come. Hawa ni dangerous. Nyinyi mmezoea kuogelea hapa? So kindly guys, I'm just here. I have got the boys who they really swim in this very huge waterfall, very dangerous waterfall. The boys is here. How are you? Uko poa? Angalia kamera. Uko poa? Na mnaogeleanga tu kwa hiyo waterfall kila siku tu hivi. Oh my God, you don't really fear? You don't fear this is very dangerous? Oh my God. And they really jump just all away from, let me show you guys. They jump from all the way from up there. Just imagine. From up there. I think you can see the boys there. Yeah, they jump all the way from there and inside this water. Inside this water. Hey. Bro, unaogelea hadi mimi naweza ruka. Hakuna mawe hapo. Ndio kwenda chini. Na kama sasa unataka kuogelea sehemu yenye yote ni wapi? Ni huko chini. Kuna wengine huko. Wenye wana train. Twende. Wewe baki nyuma.
Basi enda basi.
Twende. Twende.
Twende haraka. Tukimbie. Tutembe. Guys.
hauendi kuoga pia tuende.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Amazing, amazing.
This is the Africans kid. You know Africans, God created us very handsome boys and the babies and the beautiful woman. Yeah, that's why we are here just enjoying the nature. And the God is amazing. He gave us a very amazing nature with the big stone, hills, mountains. Yeah, so we are very enjoying. Oh yeah, uko grade?
7.
Grade 7? Okay, pull up your socks. Grade 8. Na wewe? Grade 6. Uza, hao wengine wasomi wametoroka. Uko grade? 7. Wewe? Mnasoma wote shule moja?
Form 2.
Oh, wewe form 2. Wewe? Grade 7. Okay, guys. Oh, this is my friend Big Boy. Yeah, very amazing. Yeah, we are just enjoying. I have with the one there. Yeah, guys, push this video. Please, if you are the first time to watch this video, this Face for Jamaican Boy Africa, please kindly make sure you subscribe, like the video, enjoy.